Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple.
3.
Hey guys, came to Allstarautobody shop. I had a slight incident right here that I went to somewhere else and they did not do the best job like this. And I had some nice little keys right here. I came out here to Junior. He had told me what he was gonna do. Perfect time. He's patient. Came out 10 times better than I expected. They're very much complimenting for yourself. And they do whatever just to make you happy, come out the best. And I would give this 10 out of 10. Come again, bring a friend.
Thank you.